Let's hear how my Jamaican husband says these American words. Maintenance.
Maintenance. Yo, there's a spill on aisle 7 called maintenance. You hear?
Like 4 words. Maintenance.
Yeah, maintenance.
Maintenance.
No, it's a maintenance.
Cactus.
Cactus.
Okay. Garlic.
Garlic. Yo, more piece of garlic for putting in rice or for putting in chicken pot.
The chicken.
I not even know if garlic going in a chicken pot. Me can't cook osh.
Garlic going about everything.
Alright.
Okay.
Zine. Yeah, man. If you don't hear that word that Jamaican man says zine, just know he's saying okay.
Okay. Flavor.
Flavor. Yo, me say a KFC a Jamaica have the flavor. KFC in a foreign? No flavor.
A girl's man.
Man, a gal listener, but you are me baby.
Dirty.
Dirty. Hey boy, go put a coffee dirty clothes.
Boy.
Boy. Hey boy, what you do?
Ask.
Ask. You go ask him for something, no man.
You ask.
Yeah.
You ask him.
No, no ask. Ask.
An ox.
No. What do you think?
Ask.
Okay.